Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I shouldn't say it's Greg Luther. I've got my fancy glasses on here. This is Gregory, and I'm very sophisticated. I am bored in the freaking house. How about you? Working like crazy, making lots of money, but nothing worse than being stuck in the house and can't go anywhere. It's amazing how just going to a quick restaurant or running to a store or something gives you a little change of scenery. Anyway, I wanted to share with you here today, while we have our glasses and our bow tie on, I wanted to share with you something about your real estate business I think you'll find to be tremendously helpful in getting yourself lots of buyers and sellers coming in. Perfect time to do it. That's why I dressed up today wearing this tie. I think my tie's a little high, don't you? I think it's more of a double chin cover-upper. Now I look like I just have 3 or 4 chins instead of 7. Look at that. Anyway, we are doing very, very well on lead generation. I was talking to a few agents today that are getting some buyers and sellers. They're stuck in the house, and they're still getting tons and tons of business coming in. But the cool part about this is what's going on with ad spend, what's going on with advertising in the marketplace. A lot of these big companies have pulled out. They're not doing any advertising, which means our advertising costs have hit basement rock bottom prices. I've never seen anything like this before. So I'm doing a training tomorrow on this, and I was getting some stats together. I want to share some stats with you here that I think you'll find very helpful. On buyer leads right now, on the same ad that we've used for months and months, we're averaging $4.29 a lead, which, by the way, if you do a horrible job of conversion and you can only convert 1 of 100 leads, let's say you got 100 leads and you only got 1 of them to actually close with you, you'd be paying $429 a closing. That's pretty good. Let me give you the $429. You give me a referral fee, right? Anyway, that same ad that we're getting at $4.29, did my math, got my smart little glasses on here. It won't let me move my glasses. Did my math on it here. New cost, $1.73 a lead. Same ad, same photo, same list, same everything, has been $4.29, is now $1.73. Why is that? Couple of reasons. Number one, ads are cheaper. As you know, when you're advertising on Facebook, you're really just, it's an auction, right? And because so many people aren't advertising, we're getting lower cost. Additionally, everybody's on their computer right now. What percentage of people in your neighborhood right now do you think are on their computer or their phone? One or the other. Nearly 100%. Where we usually get these buyer leads at $4.73, I'm actually going to show the ad tomorrow on that webinar that I'm doing. Hopefully you guys got a spot for that. It's nearly full. You can get a spot at easyagentleads.com. I put it in the description there. If somebody can type it in, make sure it's spelled right. Type it in the comments here. That would be helpful. Next ad, this is for sellers. We generally get seller leads at $6.21 a lead on this one particular ad that we use, $6.21. Again, let me give it to you. Let's say that you close 1 of 100 leads, you're still paying $6.21. Diane says, nice tie. I thought it went well with my t-shirt. I got my Monopoly Man t-shirt on. Says I'm loaded. Look at that. That's my in the house stuck trying to avoid germs outside t-shirt with the fancy tie, also known as the double chin cover-upper. Look, I can have 3 chins and you can't even see it. Anyway, that ad has been $6.21. We're now getting those seller leads at $2.56 a piece. Again, freaking amazing that all these bad things are going on in the world right now. Our ad cost has plummeted and our leads are going up. We're getting more people. Why? Because they're all on their computer right now. I was telling somebody, and I'm actually preparing this for tomorrow's presentation. I said, why don't you look at Zillow right now? See how many people have listed their house for sale by owner in the last 48 hours. Like today is Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, look at how many for sale by owners have been listed. This is what they're thinking about why they're stuck in the house? Yeah, they've been putting it off for a year. They've been too busy. They didn't have time to paint the room. They didn't have time to get it ready. They didn't have time to figure out how Zillow works. There's so much business happening right now. Wanted to give you another one here for sellers. $5.33. I'm going to show this ad tomorrow as well. $5.33 is what we've been averaging. What I do is I take a few agents from each major marketplace to kind of average what it is. Many of you know, like I coach tons of realtors all over the country. So I'll take a few from California, Texas, Florida, Ohio, New York, Boston, all of these different areas. Okay, what are we averaging on all of those? On this particular one, let me get back to this, $5.33 a lead. We're now getting them at $2.07. I don't have to tell you, if we get 100 leads at $2.07 each, if one of them lists with you, you spend $207 to get yourself a closing. If one of 200 lists with you, which is 5% conversion, you're talking about $400. You $400. Anyway, we're going to be covering this tomorrow. I've got my thinking glasses on here today and my tie, very professional, getting ready for tomorrow's presentation, getting all of these examples together and showing everybody how this is working. Again, you can get yourself registered at easyagentleads.com. Hopefully somebody put that in the chat here. I don't know if you guys have or yet. If you could type it in, that would be helpful for me. And as of right now, let me check for you live so that I can tell you for sure. We can only get 1,000 agents on that call. And as of right now, we are at 735. So it's almost 736. So it's almost full. But again, looking at some of these numbers here, it's just phenomenal what's going on. I don't think this is going to last forever. I think it's going to be a very short window of time that this happens, because as soon as the economy comes back and people start working and that type of thing, obviously we're going to be in a position that all of the advertisers come back in. Right now, they've pulled. And since they've pulled, that's giving us tons and tons of opportunities to grow what it is that we're doing. So we're getting leads, a much larger number of leads and a much lower cost. Again, usually $4.29. It's now $1.73 for some of our good quality buyer leads. That you've seen so many of our inner circle members are generating lots of closings and getting results from this and that type of thing. Keep in mind, this is just an online version. Look at how well all the offline stuff is going as well. But this is just the Facebook version. That's not even really what we coach. That's a portion of what we coach, but it's just a small portion of our entire business model. But it is the low-hanging fruit right now. I mean, this would be the same as the post office saying, you can mail anything you want. It's a penny a house. I'd be like, hell yeah, I'm getting something together. I'm going to put my thinking glasses on and with the tape in the middle of them so that I look really smart. Maybe I can keep pushing them up like some of the videos I've seen before. Just keep ridiculously pushing my glasses up. But anyway, I want you to think about, while there's tons of money to be made, while ad costs are so low, maybe it's a good time for you to refine what it is that you're doing. How you're advertising, what your offer is. So I'm going to show you some of this stuff tomorrow. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. And you can register for that free training at easyagentleads.com. It's a brand new, we just created that yesterday, and here we are already going to be over 1,000 agents registered here very quickly. So anyway, I'm not sure how well your lead generation's going this week. I'm not sure, being halfway through the week, how many new leads you've picked up, how many appointments you're setting up for whenever we're allowed to go outside again, how many phone conversations you've had, what you're doing on the retargeting side to stay in front of them and create an omnipresence with some of these leads. I don't know what you're doing while you're sitting at home. I damn sure hope it's not watching Judge Judy. I hope you're building your business bigger than you've ever seen before. That's what I'm doing. That's what thousands of agents around the country are doing. You'll hear about some of that tomorrow. But again, some of these ad costs that we're seeing here are just phenomenal. So I want you to take advantage of that as well. There's absolutely nothing holding you back. The only thing holding you back from making massive amounts of money right now is you not willing to advertise with offers that work and generate immediate business the very day that you put them in place. I'm going to show you some examples of that tomorrow. So make sure you get yourself registered for this. We've got, for those of you that are Inner Circle members, we have the Facebook Riches training inside the Inner Circle platform that shows you how to get set up, how to run the ads, some example ads, that type of thing. What we're doing tomorrow is fresh new information based on what's going on right now. How do you get rich during a pandemic? How do we pick up more buyers and sellers and line them up? Because they're doing business without you. Again, if you look at Zillow, they're all over the place new listings happening every single day. They're even listing their house for sale by owner. I did a webinar the other day. We were looking at Orlando. There were like 6 new for sale by owners in 12 hours in Central Florida. So this is happening all over the country, and people are really focused on, their housing need changes, whether they want to or whether they need to, because they may have already been kind of tight and now they're missing a few weeks of money. They got to sell their house. Are you helping these families out? Are you attracting them? Do you have the right offers to make that happen? So anyway, I'm covering it tomorrow. You can check out easyagentleads.com and get registered. It is free. I'm going to be interviewing my Facebook guru, Derek, who many of you have met. And he's going to be shedding some light on what you can be doing to grow your business. So that is coming up tomorrow, Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 Pacific. Get yourself registered for that. And hopefully you've had a profitable day today. There's so much you can be doing to generate a lot of revenue for yourself. I hope you've done exactly that. So anyway, anything I can do for you, let me know. Reach out to me here. Otherwise, we got an awesome training tomorrow. I know this is going to be very helpful for everybody. We'll talk to you soon. I'm going to go wash my glasses, take my tie off, and relax a little bit. Look, I've even got a reflection in my glasses. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Lots of fun. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.